Taking a look at a few of the Snapchat Plus features. Now, as you can see here, I'm currently subscribed to Snapchat Plus and I'm a member since July 2nd, 2022. So upon subscribing to this, you would be greeted with these options here. So we have story rewatch count, we have ghost trails, we even have learn more, and you could manage your subscription for here. Now let's enable the exclusive Snapchat Plus badge. And as you can see here, you can press and hold on friends option to pin them as your BFF. Now all of these features are enabled. Now we could actually take a look at what these features are. So let's click on learn more. All right, so as a Snapchat Plus subscriber, you have experimental features, and these are the features which we'd have at the beginning. So basically, we have ghost trails on the map, and this is to basically show you locations that a person had traveled in the past 24 hours. Let me go back to learn more. Now these features are quite exclusive and these features aren't available for all Snapchat users. Now this is just what is in the Snapchat Plus for now. I'm pretty sure they will roll out more features to allow all users to have access to these features. Now, is it worth it? Now, to me, I'm not a hardcore user of Snapchat, so this would not really cut it in my book. However, we get this cool badge beside your profile icon, which would indicate that you are a Snapchat Plus user. And as you can see here, I'm a member since July 2nd. The subscription per month is like $3.99, so that isn't bad. You're getting exclusive features, which would make your Snapchat definitely unique. So it has quite a few features here which you could utilize. The story rewatch count to basically see who is stalking you, who is obsessed with you. You have the Snapchat Plus badge, which is unique to only Snapchat Plus users, and also the ghost trail. So there isn't much to the features, but remember, you're only paying $3.99 a month, so you can't really expect much out of this. This is just experimental features, and they will roll out new features just for Snapchat Plus users. Possibly they would even roll out the feature to allow you to screenshot without indicating to someone that you took a screenshot. That would be pretty unique, but that is basically what is in the Snapchat Plus, what is being offered from Snapchat. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this video was informative and basically gave you a little bit of information as to what Snapchat Plus entails. Now, this is not available for all users, as I had made a previous video indicating the locations which this is offered. So yeah, that is basically it. Thank you for watching. Harker Pro 7 out.